साधारण ज्ञान। हेलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट A to Z। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। A for apple, A for apple। B for ball, B for ball। C for cat, C for cat। D for dog, D for dog। E for elephant, E for elephant। F for fish, F for fish। G for grapes, G for grapes। H for hen, H for hen। I for ice cream, I for ice cream। J for juice, J for juice। K for kite, K for kite। L for lion, L for lion। M for milk, M for milk। N for nest, N for nest। O for orange, O for orange। P for penguin, P for penguin। Q for quail, Q for quail। R for rat, R for rat। S for sunflower, S for sunflower। T for tiger, T for tiger। U for umbrella, U for umbrella। V for vulture, V for vulture. W for wolf. W for wolf. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Bye bye.